Hi, so today we are back in the kitchen and I'm going to be making Speedy Chicken Noodles from HelloFresh. So we need spring onions, cut pepper, Daddy, can you say that? Because I forgot how to say it. Chicken, noodles, it's optional to put the peanuts on top as well. Ketchup, basically like a sweet ketchup, and the soy sauce. Right. So it has the instructions on the back and it comes with all of the ingredients that you'll need, and it also says. Right, so the first thing we have to do is cook the noodles. So you can crush them up a bit so they're not as long. And then you're going to put them into and then you boil your kettle, fill the saucepan up with the water, add the noodles in for 4 minutes, and then drain in the sieve. Make sure they're all covered with the water as well, otherwise they won't cook properly on those bits. Okay. The next step, it says fry the chicken. Oil is hot, we are just going to add the chicken in. Yeah. Very slimy. Oh. Smells good. Doesn't feel good. Right, now we've done with raw chicken, now we need to wash our hands because we accidentally put that in our mouths. Right. Right, and we're going to reduce the heat on the noodles. And I'm just going to stir that for a few seconds. We're using stir fry oil and it makes it smell really nice, but you can always use olive oil or sunflower oil if you don't have fish oil. So after about 5 minutes-ish, you need to take the noodles off and drain them. The same pan up with cold water, and put it back on the stove, just so they don't stick. Now we put these back in. Without making a big mess over, that would help. Now it says stir fry time. So you're going to add the pepper, whatever that's called, forgot what it's called again, and half of the spring onions into the chicken. So, let's do the spring onions. You just leave the stir fry to cook for a bit. Then you're going to drain the noodles again from the cold water, which you put in a couple minutes ago. So you have a little spoon to get that out with that. Thank you. The hand from behind the camera has appeared again. So now we're going to add the noodles into the pan which have been drained with the cold water. the ketchup and the soy sauce. I'm pretty sure you have to have first the ketchup as well. Ooh, that looks weird. I thought it would be red, but it's... I bet it's probably basically ketchup with soy, yeah. That the other half of the spring onions you can put on the top of your stir-fry noodle thing, but if you don't want them on top, then you can just add the full or all of the spring onions into the stir-fry if you don't want any on top. Just in case you're wondering what happens to the other half. So it also comes with some peanuts, which you can have optional to put on the top. I bet everyone in my family except Daddy will have them because he doesn't like peanuts. And if you have the sesame seeds, then you can put some of that on the top, or just anything you like putting on top of stir fry, a bit of salt, I don't know. So anything you like, you can put on top of it. For your stir fry noodle thing, you also can't do it without prawn crackers. You need prawn crackers, they're the best things in the world. So, yeah, we're just dishing up now. So I have added the peanuts and the spring onions on top. So now I'm gonna eat it. She wants to stay on my fork. Mmm. That's good. Spring onions add a nice taste to it. So did the peanuts. Very crunchy. Really good. I like it.